Hi there, this is Melody with Soxbox, and in this video I am going to show you how to merge two guest records. A few days ago when giving a visit, I noticed that I had more than one Sandy Cheeks in the system, and two of them had the same birthday. So today I've gone to Manage Guest, and I have looked for Sandy Cheeks. And as you can see, I actually have 3 people with that same name. Now 2 of them have the same birthday but different addresses, and one of them has a completely different birthday. So I can assume that the one that was born in 1953 is not the same person as the one born in 1985. So I'm going to work with the 2 that were born in 1985. Now before you start your merge, I do suggest that you look at all records to determine which one you want to keep. My first guest has the ID number 12, and as I scroll through I can see that I have a lot of missing information. My second guest has ID number 20, so I know that this information is newer, and as I scroll through the record I can see that we have a more complete profile. So for this video I have determined to keep guest ID number 20. Now one thing to note about a merge is that first, all visits and all notes from the one you are not going to keep are going to transfer over to the one you are keeping. It is very important to start with the one you plan to keep. Think of that one as being the winner. So start with the winner. Before I delete guest ID 12, I want to take a look at the visits. I can see that guest number 12 has had 2 visits, one on February 1st and one on March 1st. Both of these visits will transfer over to guest number 20. Now when looking at the general information, if there is information in this profile that you want to be part of the profile you're keeping, you will have to manually transfer this first before removing this guest. Let's get started with the merge. I have gone back to Sandy Cheeks guest ID number 20 because this is the one that I want to keep. All I have to do is click on the merge button, and it is going to ask me, are you sure you want to merge this guest? All I have to do is click OK. From here it's going to use the guest search that I used to find Sandy Cheeks and show me my other 2 options. Again, I'm not worried about the guest born in 1953 because this is a completely different person. I'm going to go ahead and click on the other October 1st, 1985, and what will happen is it will deposit that person into the second position here. And then it lets you know merging these 2 guests will delete the second guest permanently. If you do want to proceed, all you need to do is click Merge Guest. This will give you one last time to change your mind. Are you sure you want to merge these 2 guests? Click OK and the merge will be complete. We now have just Sandy Cheeks number 20, and if we look at the visits, we will see that the February 1st and the March 1st visits have been brought over to this profile. And if I were to go to Manage Guest again, you will see I'm down to 2 Sandy Cheeks. One more thing to note is that if the 2 people you are merging together do not have the same name, you can easily look for the name when you get to this step. Simply erase what's in the search bar and search for the other person. Once you see your person, you can proceed with the merge. I hope you have found this video helpful. As always, feel free to contact us with additional questions. Thank you.